Waking up to rooster crowing and the sound of flowing water was pure bliss. After yummy breakfast, it was time to get up close and personal with farm animals. Arnav loved the experience, wherein he got to see the different ways the animals look, eat, move, and sound.
Varus, Varus,
Anna, what are those?
turkey,
Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many horse there? Go duck, go duck, go duck, go. Can I see the airplane? No, 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 no.
Time for water play. It's a fun way to provide hours of rich and valuable early childhood experiences to develop child's creativity and imagination. We drove to Ingalls to pick up groceries. By the way, did you know Robert Ingle opened the first Ingalls supermarket in Asheville, North Carolina? Anyways, the drive was super scenic as you can see. A waterfall right along the side of the road as you drive by. Now that's an adorable mailbox. There is something about moving water that is very cleansing in every way possible. This place is meant for healing. You come out here and just get away from the world, the things that are stressing you out back home. Kind of place that can reset everything in your life. Well, all good things must come to an end. Time to say goodbye to this amazing place and take loads of happy memories with us. On our way home, we visited Talala Gorge State Park. In 1970, tightrope walker Carl Valanda used this tower to walk across the gorge. He walked from this overlook to the tower on the south rim. During his walk, he did 2 headstands. These little adventures truly fuels our soul. These surreal moments revolving around nature. Moments like these are what make life worth living.
Arkansas,
Little Rock,
California,
Sacramento,
Colorado,
Denver,
Connecticut,
Hartford,
Delaware,
Dover.
Returning home was hard. After this mind-blowing experience, we already started dreaming and doing what we do best, wishing and plotting for another opportunity to get away again. Rest of the journey, we dreamed of owning a cabin by the river away from all the distractions, sitting by the fire, roasting marshmallow, swinging in a hammock reading a book, having masala chai by the river, or stare at the sky and just do nothing. We really hope you guys like this travel journal. Thank you for tuning in. See you in our next video.